So today we're going to be making some sorrel jam.
So sorrel jam and porridge.
We're not making porridge. The porridge is made. All right, so we have 1 orange here, bay leaves, and some cloves. I have about 2 pounds together of sorrel. I'm gonna use some lime juice. I don't have cinnamon sticks, but I have the powder, so I'm gonna use that. And 4 cups of water here in my pot. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my sorrel. Oops. All right, I have to add my sorrel and then add in everything else, and also ginger. Can't forget the ginger.
Ooh, all the sorrel.
Oh, needed a bigger pot. All right, the sorrel is in
The pot.
What is this?
Orange.
All right, we're going to add the oranges.
Yeah.
Orange slices. And here, oops, here we have the bay leaves and the cloves, the whole cloves. Let me show you. All right, pour those in. Good job. All right, I'll have to figure this one out. I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of cinnamon. All right, we're gonna cover the pot.
Yeah. Whoa.
And light the stove and let it start to simmer.
Yeah, and let us eat and drink.
All right, so this is what it's looking like. Probably about 45 minutes after, or maybe not so much. So letting it stew so it's nice and rich. Ouch. So I'm going to strain it off and just keep the liquid. I'm going to use a pulp for something else. Not sure what as yet, but definitely will use it. Probably in a cake. Okay, I'm going to allow it to rest for 3 hours. Turning off the stove. And I'm going to allow it to cool down completely before I strain it off. All right, so it has cooled completely. So I'm going to transfer it over into my nut milk bag and squeeze the liquid out into my container. And I don't know what I'll use the pulp for just yet, but stay tuned. Alright, so I have a good amount of liquid there. Well, this is sorrel. And here's the pulp. I think I can retire this milk bag. It's not milk bag now. Alright, I had to do a voiceover because these children were making so much noise. So what I'm doing here is just to pour the sorrel extract over the sugar, and that's what's going to make up our jelly. And turn the flame onto low heat. Stir as you go along. Ensure that the sugar is fully dissolved, and let it go. Been about 45 minutes to an hour, and it has reduced significantly. I think I might turn off the stove now. Don't want it to burn or turn to candy. So I'm gonna leave it here for another 5 minutes. I have to keep stirring, keep stirring, scraping the sides. Stir, scrape the sides. When it cools, it will also come together. So this is sorrel jelly. Seems good to me. Alright, so it looks like. So I'll leave these to cool. I won't be using them today, so I didn't bother with the jar. The other jars are being used, so this will be used today.